Okay. It should work now. Turn this up a little bit. Once. Oh, wait, I might have to. Because I think I have it. Yeah. Let me see this real quick. Delete that one. Okay. I think we're live. Alright. Can you guys see? Can you guys hear me? Mic check, mic check. Alright, cool. We're going to get started. Okay, so let's do NQ real quick. So let's put this down. Okay, previous day. I don't need a replay. Let's leave this. Okay, so previous day high is up here. Previous day low is down here. Okay, cool. So daily broke below here. This is my up move, my down move. Down here we opened up. Ooh, we can push into here. Watch for a little rejection. So this is my my daily optimal here. Excuse me. Ooh, I would love my daily premium. That's right, in my monthly. All right, cool. So we have our daily levels marked up now. Let's go into a smaller time frame. Let's go into the 4 hour real quick. Yep, still bullish. We have this inverse head and shoulder here. We have this order block here. We can take from our low to our high. Let's see what we can work with here real quick. We're gonna mark up our fibs on the 4 hour. Our 50% here, 4 hour. I'm not gonna do the optimal premium just yet because I want to go on the hourly. I want to see what the hourly has. So I was explaining to my mentees why I'm risk off today. So actually, let's explain everything before I even continue. So the reason I was long today, the reason I took buys, and the reason I took XPX calls today was because we were bullish. Now, over the week, before the weekend started, we had where we broke the deal, right? The war, whatever, blah blah blah. Sunday open was when they said, oh, we're gonna meet on Tuesday, so everyone bought that up. Oh, that's good news, good news. Now, what I'm seeing, I always say they deliver the news where they want it, right? So in this instance, we finally hit ES daily imbalance and daily 50%. So in my opinion, it's a risk off night for me today because tomorrow they're going to meet up. And what the chart is showing me, I could be completely wrong, but what the chart is showing me is showing me that we're still bearish on the daily on ES. And what it's telling me is that possibly tomorrow we might not even have an agreement again, right? We might come up with some BS and boom, we dump right back. So that's why I'm waiting for it. That's why I'm being risk off. I want to see how the market does overnight, see what it opens up in the morning, and then see when they're going to meet up, what time they're going to meet up and stuff like that, and kind of maneuver from there, just because it's so news driven right now, if you guys can see. Right, so that's something you guys can think about. I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Let's go ahead and see the hourly real quick. Yeah, so I can do my hourly from the low here to the high here. So I'm just gonna do my hourly fibs instead. So my 1 hour fib here, and this is going to be my 1 hour fib here, my 1 hour optimal here. So 1 hour here. This is going to be my 1 hour premium here. Can I explain my fib? Yeah, it's in my, there's a video, bro. Go watch the video. There's a whole video of my fib settings. I promise. I promise I'll do you better than me explaining it right now. If you watch that video, you'll learn it. Okay, so we have the fibs here marked up on the hourly. Okay, cool. Let's go into our 30-minute real quick. Actually, let's focus on the 4 hour. What do we have here? We have nothing really. Okay, we have this hourly order block high here. So this is our 1 hour OB high. 1 hour OB high here, here. All right, let's mark it up. Boom, boom, boom. 1 hour OB. All right, cool. Let's go into our 30-minute. So if we look at the 30-minute here, right, up, down, broke above. Okay, cool. So this is our 30-minute low. As you guys can see, we're currently holding, right? So 30-minute low. I would need to see this break tomorrow if I want to look for downside. So just gonna set alert there. Okay. Let's go ahead and see. That's pretty much it here, really, for E and Q. Sorry. See if we can get a retracement of the hourly, and if we do, then we can look for upside. If we break the 30-minute, we can write it down into there. But I'm just gonna let the overnight do what it wants to do, and then tomorrow I'll look and see if we're above the high or we're still rejecting. And I'll show you guys ES now because ES is a little bit cleaner here. So let's go ahead and see ES. So like I said on ES, right? We finally tapped into the daily imbalance right before it closed, and we had a small little rejection, right? But we're still bearish on the daily here. We broke these lows. So let's grab our fibs from the high to the low, right? And let's mark up our 50%. Section here. You see how we were rejecting the 50. Let's mark up our optimal here. It's my daily here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's mark up my premium here. And then just leave that there. All right, cool. All right, now let's go mark up our previous day high and our previous day low. So this is my previous day low. This is my previous day high. Do we have an inside or outside or anything? Nope, we don't have anything. Okay, cool. Let's go into our full hour now. And if we focus on the full hour, we broke this high internally. This is our external 4 hour high. Have we broken above? Nope, we still haven't broken above our 4 hour high externally here. So I'm just going to label this as my 4 hour high here. And like I said, I'm waiting for overnight price action to decide tomorrow morning what it wants to do. So this is my 4 hour high here. Needs to break above for high confidence longs for me personally. Okay, let's go into this imbalance that it did leave behind here. Sorry, that it did leave behind. Actually, remove that. It left a little gap here on the 4 hour. We came to retest that 4 hour imbalance here. Cool. All right, let's go into our 1 hour here. 1 hour time frame. We're bullish. Held the 1 hour low here. Continued higher. Where was my 1 hour low? Was right here. Boom. Held. Pushed up higher. Cool. Let's see. We broke above here, so this is my low. We broke above here, so my order block, it's right here. 1 hour OB low. 1 hour OB low. Okay, cool. This is my 4 hour. Did I label that? Yeah, I did. Okay, cool. So I can remove this as well. If we really use the hourly, we'll go from the low. Actually, I'll do this one here on the hourly order block. I'll show you guys why, because smaller time frame. Wow, we tapped the optimal 1 hour. That's why we bounced. Okay, and 1 hour premium, and then we'll see the 30-minute, 15-minute right now. Yeah, my eyes burn. Okay, it's alert there. Remove that. All right, cool. Let's go 30-minute. Oh, yeah, it's my 30-minute low. Up, down. Yeah, so we can actually 30-minute low. All right, cool. That breaks, we continue lower. Pretty much simple. Okay, let's go into smaller time frame here. 15-minute did break above here, broke below here, broke that low. So it did sweep that double top there, which is the liquidity. Breaks above the high, continues higher. But like I said, I'll wait for tomorrow morning. So that's pretty much it here. We're really, it's our range right now. It's really this here. This is our range for right now, right? Internal range. So realistically for me, I can just expect chop within this range. So I wouldn't want to touch that personally. So I'll leave it alone until tomorrow morning. Okay, let's go ahead and look at KVQ and SPY. You mark all your levels. Nice, bro. Good, good, good. All right, let's go ahead and do this real quick for our, yeah, risk off for me. Okay, previous day low. As you guys can see, look at the daily. We're just chopping around. So no reason to be risk on for me just yet. Previous day. Where's my glasses, bro? Oh, previous day high. Okay. Previous day high. Let's go into the 4 hour real quick. We held this damn 4 hour low. Shit. We held this 4 hour low here. And also today I took, I don't want to explain why I took buys. Discord, you guys know why. Simple as that. Hourly. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay. Hourly. Boom, 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 boom. See if we can, yeah, see, we have all these gaps unfilled, so let's see. But let's go smaller time frame. Let's redefine this a little bit. Let's go 15 minutes. Looks pretty disgusting. So let's just focus on the 4 hour. But I don't even want to do the 4 hour because, I mean, yeah, we're bullish. I have to. Okay, I'm gonna just do the 4 hour here. I'm gonna do the 4 hour 50%. Actually, let's do it correctly. Let's do all of them. We're not gonna half-ass this. If we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it right. 4 hour premium. And I'm gonna show you guys why I'm using this here and why I'm looking at QQ and Q real quick. Let's go into the hourly. Beautiful W. Let's go into the 30-minute. Okay, went up. We broke here. This is my 30-minute low. So we need to break this if I want to look for downside at all. 30-minute low here. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, that's the same 15-minute order block. Okay, but then, so now where can we come and retest? So if the daily broke here, let's draw our daily levels then from here to here, right? We're currently right back at the, wow. We closed right at the 50% on the daily. I can't make this up. But I do want to see more of this gap get filled all the way at least to the optimal. So we're going to have our daily levels marked up as well. We're going to set an alert here. We're going to set an alert here. And we're just going to wait. That's it. That's all we can do now. Just wait. Okay, now let's look at SPY after this. And then we'll explain everything. I'm so fast. Yeah. Yeah, this is just like mind muscle connection to me in a way, you know, it's just simple. Okay, let's go daily. Wow, the daily candle's disgusting. Let's remove this. Let's remove this. Let's put previous day high here. Let's put previous day low here. And as you guys can see, we broke the daily low here. So then same thing. We already filled that gap. So then from the high to the low. Okay. I'm just going to mark up my optimal because we're already above the 50%. No reason for me to mark that. Let's mark up my premium. Oops, wrong one. All right, cool. All right, so we have that. Let's go smaller time frame. Let's go 1 hour. Damn. We have this 1 hour imbalance here. 1 second. A mess. 1 hour imbalance here. Okay. Okay. Let's go our 30-minute real quick. Broke above this high, so that's my low. We continued higher here. Broke above here, then we break above this high slightly. So this is my 30-minute low here. Okay, so then look, okay, this is perfect. So tomorrow, if SPY comes and taps into this hourly imbalance and this 30-minute low here holds, look for upside. Simple as that. But if we come down here and the 30-minute low breaks, do not look too long. Okay, do not look too long. I'm gonna just tell you right now. So, because everything, every gap we're left behind pretty much here, all filled except that one there, right? So, yeah, it's just a massive range. So tomorrow's gonna be a lot of patience. It's going to be, damn, I really love this setup here. Tomorrow's gonna, excuse me, it's gonna be daily optimal, daily premium, and then we can see something like this. Our head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Right, that's off of SPY. If we look at QQ one more time real quick. Same thing, right? And then what do you guys see, bro? Buy to sell, right? That's what we want to see, continuation of. But then we have a sell to buy. So if this does happen, we come and retest and then continue higher, right? So tomorrow it's either we sell off into here for buys, or we continue pushing into here, and then once we get around this area tomorrow or the rest of the week, we can look for shorts here to retest to continue higher back to all-time highs. Two ways, right? Come up here first, sells. Come down here first, buys. You know, simple as that. Let's go look at NQ and ES one last time. Give you guys the game plan on that one. Risk off, just looking like it's chopping. 30-minute low breaks will be nice. Targets the high. Can't get above previous day high. It's going to chop tonight. I can already tell. So stay away from that. And let's look at ES. Same thing. Chop it around here. 4 hour just closed though. 4 hour just closed. Yeah, 4 hour just closed 3 minutes ago. And we closed above on the 4 hour. Okay. So then our 4 hour is now bullish on ES here. Okay, perfect. So then our 4 hour is bullish. If it breaks below here on 30 and 1 hour, short it. Simple as that. Yeah, breaks above the 15-minute high, you can long it. Honestly, you can long it for continuation because we already broke on a 4 hour, breaks the 15-minute high, continue higher. But in this instance here, if we swept this double top here and then get below daily open, and then if it shifts on the 5, you can short it as well. But I don't want to lose any sleep tonight. I'm okay with that. That's pretty much it. That's the game plan for tomorrow. Really just being patient. That's all I can tell you guys. No crazy, nothing I love here. Nothing I'm like, ah, shit, I love this here. I want to do this. I want to do this and this. Nah, not my cup of tea, if I'm being honest. Risk off. Any questions whatsoever before I log off? Ooh. I'm going to give you guys a couple seconds because I know it's delayed. But do you guys have any questions for me? Oh, if you were on this stream, make sure you screenshot it because we have another giveaway for you guys. So don't miss out, bro. Show me you were on here. Show me you joined the live. Simple as that. You get free accounts. Simple. Keep it simple. But yeah, that's it. All right. I catch you guys later. Peace out. Take